When ARCHLine.XP opens up, you can create a new project by clicking on the New Project button in the appearing Welcome dialog window. The ARCHLine.XP interface has a few different main parts. The interface can be customized. For example, you can hide the project navigator. The ribbon bar on the top contains frequently used tools grouped into categories. Start the drawing tools. Click on the drafting category. Now it's expanded. Now we will create two lines using the line tool. Click on the line tool on the ribbon bar drafting category. Move the mouse over the drawing area and click anywhere. Move the cursor to the right and click somewhere again. Move the cursor again and click again to create a second line. Hit Escape on your keyboard to quit from the drawing. The software continually keeps track of the last 16 steps of the drawing process. Click on the Undo command and it will make the last created line disappear. Click on the Undo again and the first line will also disappear. Use the Redo to make the two lines visible again. You can zoom in and out using the Magnify button of the Navibar. Click on the optimal zoom icon to make the drawing fit into a visible area. You can zoom in to a specific area of the drawing by just keeping the cursor there and scrolling up the mouse wheel. You can also move the drawing sheet. This is called panning. You can also grab the hand icon on the Navibar and move the mouse around to pan. The same can be done if you click and hold the mouse wheel and move the mouse around. To select a line, move your mouse over it and click. When you select a line and you click on another one, only the second will be selected. Push and hold the Ctrl key on your keyboard and click on the next line to add it to the selection. You can move, rotate or delete multiple selected items too. Let's quickly draw a few lines freely to learn more about selection. To select a larger part of your drawing, you can use the selection rectangle. Click on an empty area on the top left corner. Move your mouse to the right and this time do not cover all lines before you click. This way only the lines 100% inside the selection rectangle got selected and not the others. To get rid of the selection, hit Escape. Draw a selection rectangle, this time from the right bottom corner. Make sure again that there are overhanging lines. This time all lines got selected. Knowing these two ways of selection by rectangle can be useful. Finally, you can also select lines in one step. Right-click on the line tool on the ribbon bar and choose the Select All command. You can use the same method to select other types of items too. Now you know how to handle drawing content. Let's move on to the next lesson.